Hi, I'm Dr. Sajeet Nair. I'm from Bangalore. I am a laparoscopic surgeon and a senior proctologist. Been practicing for many years now. Since I know and I've heard about Dr. Samrat and Symbiosis, I had a chance to come here and it was a really nice experience. A lot of things I do already, but I got a lot of new inputs into how to tweak my procedure, make it easier, and some to get the optimum results. So that part was good. Some of the things, including change of position, many few things, but smaller things which I didn't pay attention, but maybe significant in the long run. So it was a totally good experience. A lot of cases, live cases, Dr. Samrat had done, and many valuable points were discussed. And the lectures and the MRIs were also very valuable, including the radiologists putting their inputs. So that is one part we have been missing in our acumen. It was really helpful. Overall, a very good experience. I think many people should come and have the training for a day. Uh, Although didactic, it is very helpful, whatever you can grasp, and you can work on it and improve the things. Thank you.